The topic of today's video is how to uninstall QR code readers and barcode scanning apps, but this is generally for all apps. So the first thing that you want to do, and forgive me if this is obvious, but all you want to do is swipe to wherever you have the app. So you'll see mine is there. And all we're going to do is long press on the app and we'll see uninstall. Now, if you know you have the app, but you're just not sure where exactly it is, I would not advise you to use the normal global search by just swiping down because it's absolutely terrible. So all you want to do is swipe from the top of the screen and click on the settings cog on the top right, and then scroll all the way down until you see apps, and then you'll see app management, and then you can just search for your app. So let's type QR. And there we are, and then you can just click on the app that you want to delete, and there you'll see uninstall on the right. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.